Thanks for logging on to Black Video News 8. Once again, it's your best friend, Jermaine Coleman Sr., also known as J. Cole. And we are here in San Antonio, Texas at the People Espanol Festival. You know who I'm about to talk to? Get ready for this one. Drum roll. Drop the music. Bishop T.D. Jakes. That's right. Live interview, up close and personal with the Bishop. Stay logged on for more. Once again, it's your best friend, J. Cole, also known as Jermaine Coleman, and here, the one and only Bishop T.D. Jakes. How you doing, Bishop?
I'm doing good, Jay. How you doing?
I'm great, sir. Now, a question for you. Now, why the People Espanol? I see they got you down here, and we know in 2006 you started broadcasting the Potter's House in Espanol. So yes. Give us some background on that.
Well, you know, I've always been global in my thinking. I had a great respect for all cultures. I never wanted to be compartmentalized just to one group of people. Okay. Have literally traveled all over the world.
Yes, sir. Yes,
so this is fun for me. I'm at home.
Okay.
Very much so.
And now, speaking of fun, we know you do a lot of, like you say, globalized. You're doing a lot of traveling. How do you keep this fire going, Bishop? I mean, the fire and the desire, we see it in you, sir. How do you keep it going?
You know, it's never been a problem for me. I think it's because I'm country. You know, I'm country.
Yes, sir.
I didn't start in the light,
okay.
So the light doesn't really affect me like that because I started in really small, meager beginnings with a handful of people.
Yes, sir.
My purpose and motives are still. I get tired now.
Yes, sir.
I do get real tired, but so far as loving what I do, oh man, every morning I jump out the bed.
Amen. Amen. Now, as I know you're about to hit stage right now here in San Antonio,
yes.
I'm gonna let you go, sir. But one final question for you: with all that you've done, all the accomplishments, all the awards, you got nation leaders looking for your advice. You got big celebrities looking for your advice. How do you stay humble in the midst of all this, sir?
You know, I'm often asked that question. It's never a problem for me to remain humble because I know me. Yes, you know, I'm not the source of the light. You know, I'm not the light. I bear witness of the light. I don't want to be the light.
Yes,
I don't
sir.
even like for people to think of me as being some special person.
Yes, sir.
My strength is in just being ordinary.
Amen.
And that God can do so much with so little.
Yes, sir.
And so as long as you keep it in that perspective, you know that whatever you've accomplished is just His favor, and you never take credit for yourself.
Yes, sir.
And you struggle for normalcy.
Yes, sir.
I enjoy eating neck bones on the back porch with iced tea out of mason jar. You know, I'm a regular person.
Yes, sir.
And I love life and I love people, and I'm blessed to be able to have given almost 38 years of my life now to something that I really love to do.
Yes, sir. And Bishop, we love what you do. Thank you for taking the time. It's the best friend, J. Cole. Stay logged on for more. Thanks for staying logged on to Black Video News 8. Once again, it's your best friend, Jermaine Coleman Sr., also known as J. Cole. Hey, we had a blessed day today here in San Antonio at the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center for the People Espanol Festival, which featured a good friend and the man himself, Bishop T.D. Jakes. That's right. You saw the interview. You saw it went down. The encouraging words in the life about Bishop T.D. Jakes. For more information about Potter's House, please feel free to visit their website and visit T.D. Jakes Enterprises, of course, or holler at me and my email for more information on blackvideonews.com. That's jcole@blackvideonews.com. Stay logged on for more. Let's go.